Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech India. This is going to be session 12 for the series AWS Solution Architect Certification Preparation. Let's start this video with the 56th question of this series. A company has registered its domain with Amazon Route 53. The company uses Amazon API Gateway in the CA Central 1 region as a public interface for its backend microservice APIs. Third-party service consumes the API securely. The company wants to design its API gateway URL with the company's domain name and corresponding certificate so that the third-party services can use HTTPS. Which solution will meet these requirements? Here are the options. Go through these options and try to guess the correct one. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option C. Create a regional API gateway endpoint. Associate the API gateway endpoint with the company's domain name. Import the public certificate associated with the company's domain name into the AWS Certificate Manager, that is ACM, in the same region. Attach the certificate to the API gateway endpoint. Configure Route 53 to route traffic to the API gateway endpoint. This is because for an API gateway regional custom domain name, you must request or import certificate in the same region as your API. So option C is correct. Now question number 57. A company is running a popular social media website. The company website gives users the ability to upload images to share with other users. The company want to make sure that the images do not contain inappropriate content. The company needs a solution that minimizes development efforts. What should a solution architect do to meet this requirement? Here are the options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer here. Use Amazon recognition to detect inappropriate content. Use human review for low confidence predictions. This is because Amazon recognition is a fully managed service that provides image and video analysis capabilities. It can be used to detect inappropriate content in images such as nudity, violence, or hate speech. So option B is correct. Now question number 58. A company wants to run its critical application in containers to meet requirement for scalability and availability. The company prefers to focus on maintenance of the critical applications. The company does not want to be responsible for provisioning and managing the underlying infrastructure that runs the containerized workload. What should a solution architect do to meet these requirements? Here are the options. Go through all these options and try to guess the correct one. Okay, let me reveal the correct answer. The correct answer here is option C. Use Amazon Elastic Container Service, that is Amazon ECS, on AWS Fargate. This is because company does not want to be responsible for provisioning and managing the underlying infrastructure that runs on containerized workload. So it will be equal to serverless compute for containers that directly indicate AWS Fargate. Now question number 59. A company hosts more than 300 global website and application. The company requires platform to analyze more than 30 TB of clickstream data each day. What should a solution architect do to transmit and process the clickstream data? Here are the options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option D. Collect the data from Amazon Kinesis data stream. Use Amazon Kinesis data firehose to transmit the data to an Amazon S3 data lake. Load the data in Amazon Redshift for analysis. This is because Kinesis data firehose is the most suitable for streaming data and Redshift is more suitable for large data sets. So option D is correct. Now question number 60. A company has a website hosted on AWS. The website is behind an application load balancer, that is ALB, that is configured to handle HTTP and HTTPS requests separately. The company wants to forward all the requests to the website so that the request will use HTTPS. What should a solution architect do to meet these requirements? Here are the options. Try to guess the correct one. I am waiting for you. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option C. Create a listener rule on ALB to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. This is the best solution to create listener rule on ALB to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS, because it will ensure that all the requests will use HTTPS, and that is the requirement of the question. So option C is correct here. So friends, this was all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great learning, and please do subscribe this channel, Tech India.